It's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies. Well, it's Tuesday and it's time for Tiny Tidy Tuesdays. And our lady that is our hostess is Sunday Dawn. She hosts us every Tuesday and puts all our names together. And that'll be pinned in my comments so you can watch everybody's Tiny Tuesday. So this Tuesday I decided I'm going to straighten out my pantry. I'm not going to organize it. I'm just going to kind of see what's in here and straighten it out. And I might not do the whole thing. I might just do a few shelves. And see what I can do with it. I know a couple of shelves down here need some, this shelf down here needs some organizing, and I want to take the jars out of here. So that I'm going to do. So I'll set you guys over there. And I'm going to start with getting the jars out of this cupboard so we can take them to recycling. Hey, Rusty. Wanna come say hi? Wanna come say hi? Come on. Oh, so this paper bag, I'm gonna put these drawers in it. Okay. Oh, I don't want to give them. Yeah, that's a good jar. Okay, get those jars out of there. So in here, these containers, put them somewhere else. Oops. Put them somewhere else. And these I'll go through and see if they're any good to keep. And the only other thing I have in this bottom shelf is my big huge vase. It's the only cupboard it fits in. So I'm going to leave that in there. And I'll put the potatoes back in there. Oh, maybe we can leave these. And I can leave these in there, just behind the potatoes. I'm not going to put stuff in here because that's where I put my empty jars to keep. So let's see. Over here, in this bottom one, let's see, we've got some drinks and we've got some canned food. I might shuffle those around. And some jars. Let's see what we can do. And put the pot back in there. And I've got some coffee. Empty this shelf. Oh no, it's got big jars in it. Not much. Okay, I'm going to take stuff out of here and then I'm going to put some of this stuff in. No, this is kind of the baking shelf. This stuff needs to go in jars. gonna do that. I'm gonna put these in, gonna put this stuff in jars. Okay. I've got some canned goods up here. And this one. So I'll take this other stuff out of here. Put the canned goods in here. Oh, what is this? Doggy treats. One of these to keep our popcorn in and keep it organized. Must be the lid to that jar. I can find the lid too. And then I like to keep our plastic wrap here and one box of the Ziploc bags. And that's all I like to keep in that cupboard. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. This one needs to be done yet. So I'm going to do this one and sort things out. That's oil. It can go over here. What's this in the bag? Pasta. Need a jar for my pasta. Let's see. Yeah, we'll do this one first. And raisins. Okay, let's get down here and see what I can do. Okay, that's more oil. This is just a little jar I want to keep. Shake and bake. And these are really good hash browns. Hash brown potatoes, and you just add hot water and you let them sit, and then you can fry them if you want to crisp them up. So I'm going to put those all on this side. Put those all on this side. And I'm going to put shake and bake in this side. Oops. And that works. This stuff over here, we've got 2 spaghettis. Okay. And the box here that I don't need anymore. in that bag. And we got some crackers back here. So we'll put those somewhere. I'm also going to stand my spaghetti up in here. There we go. So we've got hash browns, shake and bake, and spaghetti, all in that little box. Lean it against the wall so they can stand up nice. Raisins, pasta, couple potatoes. Let's see. Just looking at what I've got. Well, I think I can put our jar of stuff in here. Take that off. I gotta get some scissors. Can stay just like that. Okay, I tidied up my pantry. Trying to put things with things, cans with cans, and trying to organize it again. I think it looks somewhat better. Still got room to put stuff, so that's always good. And as we all know, we can clean our pantries and organize them. You just do it over and over again. Maybe someday you'll come across a system that really works and stays. But anyhow, I'm going to move one more thing. This is the cupboard we keep our dog food in, and I have a big basket of bags that I don't want in here. It's the cupboard where we keep our dog food. And I had this basket in there. I'm going to move it back to the other cupboard. It's not very convenient in there. And then the dog food fits better. Okay, now I have this mess to clean up. So that won't take long. We'll get this all picked up and put in the garbage and recycling. Well, I got that all cleaned up off the floor, and I'm pleased with my pantry. Never had a pantry before, so it's kind of new for me. So I'm just learning how to put things in here and store things. But I think that looks much better. And hopefully it'll be more convenient. Like I say, I do enjoy my new house, my kitchen. I love all the white cupboards. And it's a big pantry. Holds a lot of food. So, well, I'd like to thank everybody for watching our Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And I'd like to thank Sunday Dawn for hosting our Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And her YouTube channel is The Helpful Home. And like I said before, there's a whole group of us who do this. And I will have a list for you to put in the comments so you can watch everybody else's list. I'd like to welcome my new subscribers now. And I'd like to encourage anyone who hasn't subscribed to subscribe. I'm hoping to get to my 500. I reached my 300 and I'm over 300 now, so I'm very happy. Do a little bragging. Anyhow, I'm very, very happy to have everybody who's here. So thanks again, Sunday Dawn, for hosting this. And thanks again, everybody, for watching. And don't forget to watch all the other ladies who do the Tiny Tidy Tuesday. It's a really good way to get things done. Okay, see you on the next one. Bye.